Welcome back to Law Call. Ted Howell and Brian Connors here with you. And over the break, we got a call from Houston County. Joe, go ahead with your question.
Hey, is there anything I can do? I had a place, I had knee replacement, and it messed up, and they wouldn't do nothing about it at the first place. So I had to go to another place in Florida to have it taken care of, and I had to have 2 more surgeries to take care of it. What should I do?
I got you, Joe. What it sounds like you have is a potential medical malpractice case. That's where a doctor fails to adhere to the standard of care and does, in your case, a knee surgery at a subpar performance, which ultimately sounds like it caused you to have an additional 2 surgeries. So what would need to happen is we'd need to have the documents related to that situation reviewed and make sure that this wasn't just some sort of known collateral consequence or some sort of known error rate. Because there are, there's known risk with any type of surgery. It's not a 100% guarantee. But if you could establish that that was, in fact, a breach of the standard of care, then you would have a medical malpractice claim that can be pursued potentially against that doctor. So make sure and follow up with us so that we can look into that and see if that's a case that we can possibly pursue for you.